What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new and powerful dietary supplement for supporting healthy weight loss and digestion. It is inspired by the healthy lifestyle and nutrition habits of the Okinawa people, who are a popular demographic, known for their prosperous health and extreme longevity in life. Okinawa is the largest island that forms a part of the Ryukyu Islands of Japan. It stretches southwest between Kyushu and Taiwan. The people of Okinawa are extensively known for their superior health, having more centenarians, people aged above 100, than anywhere else in the world. As mentioned in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a formula based on the diets and daily drinking habits of the inhabitants of this island. Who curated Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula? It was a game of fate that led to the discovery of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder. It is said that Mike Banner, a nutritionist, had traveled to Japan for treatment of obesity for his sister. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients. The ingredients of this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic are all naturally sourced from multiple varieties of plants and roots, and they can be categorized into 3 distinct blend variants, namely, polyphenol blend, metabolic boosting blend, and probiotic and prebiotic digestive support blend. What benefits can you expect? According to numerous real customer reviews of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, it aids weight loss. Dosage and how to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? As said in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, it is very easy to make Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drinks. There are no tedious steps or processes for making the drink. All you require is 1 scoop of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and simply mix it in your drink or water. Are there any known side effects associated with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? No, since all of its ingredients are 100% organic, naturally sourced, and undergo minimal processing, there are no harmful chemicals or hyperreactive agents in this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dietary supplement. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? As mentioned in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reviews, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a mix of herbs in powder form. It is available to you in the most convenient and easiest of ways that help you lose weight and also assist in melting away your fat. How long will it take to see results? This depends on several factors, including your age, your metabolism, diet changes, etc., and so it varies from person to person. How long would the results stay? This also depends on several factors and varies from person to person, but the initial feedback survey reports have shown that those people who finished their prescribed course of 3-month use, noticed their improved results stayed consistent for the next 1 to 2 years. Click here description below link to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for an exclusive discounted price on